Creating a YouTube channel is a straightforward process that allows you to share videos with a global audience. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign in to Google account. If you don't have one, create a Google account. This account will be used to manage your YouTube channel. Access YouTube. Go to YouTube's homepage and click the profile icon at the top right corner, then click Your Channel. Create Channel. Click Create Channel to start the channel setup process. Choose a name. You can use your Google account name or create a custom name for your channel. Click Create after making your choice. Add channel description. Write a brief description of your channel and what type of content you plan to share. This helps viewers understand your channel's focus. Upload profile picture and banner. Upload a profile picture and a banner image that represents your channel. These visuals make your channel more appealing. Customize layout. Organize your channel's layout by adding sections for your videos and arranging them as you prefer. Create content. Start creating and uploading videos to your channel. Click the upload button at the top right to add videos from your device. Video optimization. Add titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails to your videos to make them discoverable and engaging. Share and interact. Share your videos on social media and engage with your audience through comments and community posts.